Radishes dipped in butter and flaky sea salt is an iconic French hors d'oeuvre, but I think everything's better when you add bread to it, so let me show you how to make these French buttered radish toasts. First, make toast. Easy enough. Next, make a simple chive butter. Now, I'm using chives from my garden, so I love saving the pretty purple flowers for a garnish. Mix the chives into softened, unsalted butter. Look for French or European style butter, cultured, locally made. Just make sure it's good quality and really fresh. For the radishes, any variety can work, but again, make sure they're fresh. Slice them paper thin. I like to use a mandolin, but you can use a knife too. Let the toasted bread cool down first so that it doesn't melt the butter, and then spread a thick smear of it over each toast. Sprinkle each one with a little bit of flaky sea salt. I like to use Maldon, and then pile the radishes on top. Arrange the toast on a platter and then hit them with a little bit more sea salt and then with more freshly chopped chives and some edible flowers if you have them. So yummy and so pretty.